What's up, guys? Welcome to day 2 of my classroom setup. Today, I don't even know what we're gonna get done, so let's get it started. If you haven't been here before, my name is Yaeger. I'm a kindergarten teacher here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I was teaching at Stuckey Elementary in Southern Highlands this last school year, but I'm going back to Title I, hopefully to eventually make more money, move up the column faster, all the things. So I switched schools and I'm in the middle of moving all of my stuff. Now, teachers, we don't have to be back to the 6th, and we're still in July. It's the end of July. So I'm hoping, though, by the time the 6th comes, I could have like all my stuff moved in. So if you didn't watch episode 1, you could kind of see where we were starting with. And today, I wish I could tell you I had a plan, but I don't have a plan. So we're rolling with it. Let's go with that. I'm struggling today because I'm not gonna have like lots of time this morning, and it's kind of like disappointing me. Sports mom life is literally controlling my life right now. It's fine. Okay, we're gonna figure this out. I at least want to show you. Okay, let me show you the type of decor I'm going with this year, right? I don't know why, but I'm low-key obsessed with polka dots. So I had made all of these for my alphabet, and I'm mixing the polka dots with like my nature vibes. So I don't honestly know how this is gonna go, but I love black and white, and then the nature outdoorsy is just so cute to me. So I have like all of these, but I think it's honestly gonna go with the black and white polka dots really well, and it'll like make it pop. And then I got all of these from someone off Amazon, had gifted me. Thank you so much. And then I have these. I've been wanting to do these for years. So I'm gonna string these. Let me focus. Okay. I'm gonna string these like all across my classroom. Now, how I'm gonna do it yet, I'm not sure, but we'll work with that. Well, this is like our starting place for decor. What do you guys think? Do you think the polka dots go with like the naturey things? Am I out of my mind? Like, please tell me and be honest in the comments. Like, do you think I can make this work or no? I'm trying to combine my love of outdoorsy, planty vibes with my love of black and white. Can I do it? What do you think? Okay, so scratchly going into the classroom today. As much as this time of year is so stressful, this is also my favorite part of the year. I love decorating. I love bringing a room together, a theme together. I love just creating a magical space for the kids. And that sounds so selfish, but I really just want to let go of all of my responsibilities. And like, if I could honestly be in my room from the morning until they're kicking me out at night, I would. Like, I know that's it's a sickness, it really is, but anyways, so today I ended up having to do some things with my kids that they needed done, and we're going out of town in a few days, so I had to get those things done before we leave. So it's fine though, it's fine. It all got done though. So instead of day 2, what we're gonna do though, which this is actually just as important because I had gotten this like really cool partnership with Temu. So when you see all of this come out on Instagram, show it some love for real. I cannot believe I got this partnership with Temu. Like, I do the IG thing, but I'm not even that big. So anyways, I was beyond excited. I thought it was not real at first. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But they did send me some stuff for my classroom. And then someone else had gifted me this really cool thing for my classroom too. So I have a lot of things that need to be put together. So I think today, so that I could still feel productive and like I'm doing something for my classroom, I think we're gonna put some stuff together. So let me show you the boxes. Are you ready for this? This is kind of exciting. Okay, so we have this box, this one, there's this one, and then, okay, hold on. literally teaching stuff everywhere. Okay, and then I have this one too of things that need to be put together. I wonder how long it'll take me putting it together before you could guess what it is. I'm actually a pretty good builder. Your girl could actually build some things, okay? Before I had a man around here, I had to do everything literally myself. So my daddy taught me some things, okay? So let's get this started. I've been talking too much. Let's roll. I'm gonna be completely transparent that I have no idea what all was even sent to me. The one thing that I do know what one of them is. So I think we're gonna put that one together first just because I know what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so here's the first one. Can you guess what it is? This is the only one that I actually know what it is. Okay. Let's see what pieces we got here. I'm like a child. Okay. 3 down, 1 to go. If you didn't know this about me, I love McDonald's Coke. The man got me one on his way home. There's like nothing more refreshing. Legit. There we go. They were literally just like a twist into each other. It was very easy to follow. I had separated the sticks by like what they were, the B, C, D, and that made it very easy. So next, now we did all the sticks. Okay, I'm gonna be real. I have no idea what I was talking about. It didn't come with rope, so I'm wondering if it means the rope from the tent itself. There we go. This is why reading is important, guys. Now, if you're anything like me, you need very explicit directions. Okay. Oh my god. Such like, you'd swear I'm blonde sometimes. Okay. Okay, so like, I figured all of the sticks had to go through like this giant hole, right? So originally I put them all through the hole, and then I ended up realizing that there was 4 of these that each of the sticks went in. So we've now recovered and we're 2 down, and I still have the 2 others to go. Okay, tent is put together. Time for the finishing touches. Okay, so these just came from a craft store, super cheap, and these lights came with a teepee from Temu, so look how cute! Oh my gosh! Okay, so in the words of my kids, I was low-key crashing out today because I didn't go to my room, but putting this together today was so worth it. I can't wait to bring it into my room. Day 2 of setting up my room has not been a complete fail. We're gonna build something else though. So I have 2 things, there's 3 things actually that seem to be a lot of pieces, so we're gonna pick one of them. Which one? I don't know. We're just gonna pick a box and see what it is. Okay, next we're gonna put together the food market, which it's honestly way smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but I actually think it's better because my room is also not as big as I originally thought it was. These are like so stinking cute though. I had to start opening them because I couldn't find the hardware, and it was actually in one of these, so I don't think it'll be too bad to put this together, so let's bang this out. I had to pause to take baby girl to volleyball and get dinner poppin'. So now we're gonna finish our little marketplace that we're creating. My daughter insists on keeping the teepee for herself. She's having a grand old time with this. So as you can see, children will love it. I will actually link it in the video down below in the description in case you would like to get one for yourself. And honestly, was about the easiest thing to put together. The hardest part was me realizing, which I just didn't read the directions, that the ropes just had to go through that, but it's fine. I honestly think I'm going to order her one for her room because this one's supposed to go in my classroom, but she very much loves this, as you could see, so we'll probably order her one. She's currently helping me. The marketplace came with like all these cute little things. Let me flip this and show you. Okay, like how stinking cute, right? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Like the strawberries, bananas. I love that they're wooden too. I honestly think I want to do like all wooden food. Oh look, and then so on this she put the stickers on for me. It came with a cute little credit card. It's like so stinking cute. Okay, while she's finishing the stickers and stuff, I'm gonna finish putting this together. Oh look, y'all, she's finished. Isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh, I can't even with how cute. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm like so tired just from putting these two things together today, but I am gonna bring them to my classroom tomorrow for day 3 of the setup, so be sure to head back. But thank you so much for joining me on day 2. Let me know what you guys think about the decor and what I should do. And I will definitely list both this from Amazon and my tent from Temu in the description below if you're interested. But until next time, I'm Yaeger, and I'm out.